Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Handmade. This week's DIY is a Dollar Tree project that you can make for a special someone or even your kids. It's cute, affordable, and let's just jump into it. The first thing you'll need to do is find a heart printout. I have one you can download from my blog, and I'll leave that link in the description down below for you guys. After you've found the perfect heart, cut out 2 of them out of regular old cardboard, and I found that it was much easier to use a blade and then go back to refine it and clean it up with some scissors. I taped the hearts together and then cut out any overlap so they're virtually identical to each other. Next, I cut 2-inch cardboard strips and ran my fingers across it to make it more pliable. Next, I taped the strip on the outer part of the heart and left a 3-inch gap on one side. I'm using painter's tape here, but I highly recommend using masking tape instead. I taped the other side until I had something that looked like this. As you can see, I left the hole at the bottom, and I took a separate piece of cardboard, cut it out to the size of the hole, and I set it aside. Next, I got some crepe paper from Dollar Tree and used these herb scissors to make the fringe. It was pretty cool, but I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't layer up the paper, so it might just be easier to use regular scissors, but that's completely up to you. Once I had the fringe cut, I took some glue and I pasted the fringe on the heart, working from the bottom to the top. I tried using that Dollar Tree glue sticks, and let me tell you, it really sucked, so that's why I ended up using this glue. If you can, spend some extra money and get some traditional glue sticks. When I was done with the front, I moved on to the sides like you see here. Make sure you glue the fringe to that small cardboard piece we put to the side earlier. Don't forget that. I didn't like how you could still kind of see the tape in the front, so I glued some extra fringe at the top and re-added the fringe going the other way. You can see how it looks with this one right here. Next up, I glued letters down, making phrases I wanted in the front of the heart, and also made these ribbon pieces. I glued the larger ribbon on the top, then went ahead and filled the piñata with some candy and decorative paper that I also got from Dollar Tree. I took the cardboard piece, glued some tape to the fringe side, and then glued the skinnier ribbon to the top. I then glued the tape to the inside of the heart, which forms the flap, and used some Scotch tape to tape the flap shut. I also put some Scotch tape on the sides as well for a little added security, and that was it. I hope you guys love these conversation heart piñatas. I think they're really cute and adorable for Valentine's Day, and it's super affordable. As a bonus tip, you can totally propose to someone using this. Just add some string to the inside and tie the ring to the string so it doesn't fall out with the rest of the candy. Call me cheesy, but I think it's so cute. That's it for this video. I hope you like it, and if you did, please hit that subscribe button and like this video if you found it helpful. Let me know what else you'd like to see on this channel in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!